the presidential candidate of the African Democratic Party and the former deputy CBN governor, Dr. Obadiah Mailafiya, moments ago just left the DSS office, and again he honored the invitation by the Department of State Security, DSS. Mailafiya said because he spoke about the plight of the innocent citizens of Nigeria, if he will perish, let it be so. He said, I am the voice of the Holy Mother, and I perish. If that be, let me perish.
I'm here because I have been invited for the third time to appear before the Department of State Security. I do not know why I have been invited yet again. They invited me the first time. I honored their invitation. They asked me to go. There has been no incident throughout the country after I did my interview. They invited me again for the second time. As a law-abiding citizen, I dutifully and respectfully honored their invitation. Now again, they have invited me for the third time.
Njenje Media can report that it is the third time that the DSS is inviting Mr. Mailafiya Obadiah over comments he made on radio concerning Boko Haram invading the southern part of Nigeria. Mailafiya also alleged that a repentant bandit told him that a serving northerner who is still within the party was a commander of the terrorist group. Speaking to journalists, which Njenje Media was part of, before he entered the DSS headquarters in Jos this morning, Mailafiya, who arrived at about 11:09, said, I am the voice of millions of people and the voice of the voiceless, both Muslims and Christians. We are here, and the youths have taken me as their voice. Thousands of people have been killed in this country, in Borno, in Yobe, in Adamawa, in Katsina, in Zamfara, Niger, Beningwari, Southern Kaduna, Benue, Plateau, and other parts of the country, he decried. He maintained that I am the voice of the Holy Matter, and I perish, if that comes to that. Recall that the State High Court sitting in Jos had last Friday fixed the 29th of September 2020 for ruling on the application filed by Mailafiya. The former CBN deputy governor is challenging an invitation served on him by the office of the DIG Force Criminal Investigation Department, Abuja. Mailafiya is asking the court to declare that the Department of State Security Services is the only statutory body empowered by law to deal with crime against internal security of Nigeria. Stay tuned to Njenje Media TV. We will be bringing you up to speed as the story develops. What we can only say is we all are standing with Obadiah Mailafiya. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV. We are here to serve you and to serve you all the time.